Hello guys, I'm here to host SSPS. My name is Salah. Let's see what people think about Somali people in Oxford Street today. So, we wanted to know, do you think Somali people are black?
It's a good question, you know. I'd say yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because I have a lot of Somali
I
friends.
agree.
Yeah.
So you actually do have Somali friends? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Ibrahim, Mohammed.
Shout them out, shout them out.
Yeah, Ibrahim, shout out Ibrahim, comes gym with me, yeah, pure gym, shout him out, yeah, he's doing well, pushing him, yeah, he's got good chest.
An embarrassment.
Yeah,
What about you?
Yeah,
Any
I
Somali
agree with
friends?
him. I have no Somali friends, to be honest.
Really? Why is
But I know his friend.
that? Okay.
She knows Ibrahim,
So
so
technically-
shout out Ibrahim again, you know, he's doing well for himself.
So you have one Somali friend, just say the truth, innit?
No, and Mohammed as well, see,
Oh, yeah.
too.
Shout out Mohammed, didn't
Yeah, Mohammed, he doesn't come gym with me, so I can't shout him out like that.
He wasn't shooting with me in the
He
gym.
was shooting in the gym, so
Trust
he doesn't get that shout out.
I would say that they're whoever they want to be. Like, it doesn't really matter what they are. Like myself,
I think it kind of does.
I'm mixed race, yeah. So I'm black and I'm white, yeah. So I just consider myself part of both cultures, and I feel like maybe Somalians, whoever they want to associate themselves with, and say, all right, I'm black this day and I'm Arab that day.
So you're saying Somali people are mixed Arab and black?
They can be, yes, if they want to be.
But if they're not, say it's a full Somali person.
I don't know enough about the culture to be able to put something on them.
I feel like it doesn't technically make them black. I mean, there are white people living in Africa.
That is true.
Hello, all you Somalians. I love Somalian people.
Shout.
Yeah, shout out all the Somalians out here. Loving the crew, loving the gang, you know. All the brothers and sisters. I see you grinding. All of that. Wuria. What's the mum? I remember mum, but I forgot. Amma, Hoyo.
Come on, he knows a lot, he knows a lot, man.
I'm thinking about other words. I got other words. Maybe they're not right to say on the camera.
Okay, so tell me, do you have any Somali friends?
Yes, I do.
They look like me?
No, a little bit shorter.
Oh, okay. A little bit slimmer as well, but then I'll give you a little bit. Do you know who Somali people are?
I do not.
What about you?
Me too.
Oh, you don't know any Somali people? Okay. Are they black or Arab?
I'm gonna say Arab, maybe.
Really, I don't know.
Do you know any Somali people?
Somali, yes, I do.
Yeah?
Only on the internet.
Oh, on the internet?
No.
Not in person,
No, nothing. Not
Do you know any famous Somali people then?
famous Somali. I think I know. You're from Somali. Really? Oh, nice. I only saw some athletes in the Olympics from Somalia. Yeah, but I can't know the exact name. Yeah.
Would you date a Somali person?
Have you got someone to set me up with?
Ooh, don't listen. I'll hook you up. Don't worry.
Okay, we got. Shout out me in
Any
it.
clues? A Somali person.
Yeah, I would.
What about you?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Would you date a Somali?
Like, would you go out with a
Have a friendly conversation.
Yeah, no, I had one. It wasn't my best friend one time, but right now she lives in California. Hello, Hania. I'm Gabriel. I don't know if you remember me. We're meeting on Rome, and you miss me a lot. I wish you all the best, really.
So tell me, what do you think about interracial relationships?
They're great. Yeah.
Would you date a Somali person?
No, maybe not. No. I prefer Asian. Yeah.
Oh, I'm in one, so I'm married to a Japanese girl, so yeah. I think it's all for the norm these days, isn't it? That's the way the world's going, yeah.
Do you think Somali people are black or Arab?
No, I'm not quite familiar with it. I like the personality. Yeah. Very like open-minded, funny. Yeah, but for me, it's very a mysterious country. Yeah. Yeah, because it's quite far from me, and in reality, it's hard to meet the people from that country as well.
What's your name?
Michael.
Michael. Okay. Do you know any Somali people?
I'm homeless and I keep myself to myself.
Do you know where Somalia is?
It's middle of Africa. Somalia. Where is it? Is it south? If it's on the east.
East Coast.
Is it Kenya? Is that east?
Are Somali people Arabs or black?
I don't like that word.
Okay then. That's right. That's right.
We're all humans, kind of. I don't know why everybody goes around classifying everything and gets everybody hating each other, because it's all wrong. We all belong to Allah.
MashaAllah.
So you are Arabic.
Do you know any Somali famous people?
Yeah, Zach Salad. Come on, you know.
What? Hey, that's him, you know.
Hey, my name is Zach Salad. What's your name?
My name's Tilly.
Nice to meet you. And okay, so I'm going around asking people what they know about Somali people. Do you know anything about Somali people?
Forgive me, I know little.
So do you have any Somali friends?
None.
Well, you have now. My name is Zach. Nice to meet you. Okay, I know you're here talking about an important issue that a lot of people don't recognize internationally. Can you let us know what that is?
Yeah, so we're raising awareness today about the organ harvesting, the live state-sanctioned organ harvesting that the Chinese Communist government are doing to innocent people that are prisoners of conscience.
Can you explain to us what prisoners of conscience is?
So that's basically they've been detained for their belief. So in the case of Falun Gong, which is what I'm more familiar with and with the research, is once they're detained in labour camp, the Chinese Communist government, they take a sample of blood and they file their details, their blood type, tissue type, on a medical system, a centralised medical system. And so anyone from around the world can fly to China for transplant, and they can get the exact match in 2 weeks, roughly 2 weeks estimate.
So aesthetically, this is organ harvesting.
Yeah, this is like live organ harvesting. Yeah.
It's practiced legally in China.
Yeah, this is state sanctioned. So this is the Chinese Communist government that have actually orchestrated it, and they're actually building hospitals, specialised transplant hospitals, 500 beds, full capacity transplants.
And is this like a lucrative business?
Yeah, sure, it's a lucrative business. Ethan Gutman, who's a research journalist, he's published a book called The Slaughter, and from his findings and his research and estimates, is 110,000 per year are killed for their organs under the Chinese Communist government and for their belief.
Do you think there might be a possibility that there's Somali Muslims who are imprisoned in China whose organs are being harvested?
Okay, so I know that in the north of China, there's Orthodox Muslims. They're called the Uyghurs. And in the late 80s, 90s, if the Chinese government, if any official needed an organ for transplant, they would just kill a Muslim and take their organs and for transplant. So these were the first group. It was actually the Muslim people in the north of China that were targeted first as prisoners of conscience for their belief. So yeah, not many people know that's happening in the world.
So what can the world do to help?
Yeah, so firstly, just to be aware, to know that this is happening, not be deceived by like what you see in the news and the hysteria about Trump and America. That's not the criminal behind that. Actually, the real mafia gangster government is Chinese government that are wiping out prisoners of conscience and belief. And you can go to stoporganharvesting.org for full details, and there's the online petition you can sign.
Thank you so very much.